Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are going to learn about Chase Bank debit card login or Chase Bank credit card login. Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are going to learn about Chase Bank credit card login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open a web browser. It can be any web browser of your choice. And in the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. You just need to type in there Chase Bank. And when you have successfully typed the Chase Bank, just press enter in your keyboard. After that, this web search result will be shown. So in the first web search result, it is the Chase Bank official website. So you just have to click on it and their official website will be shown to you. And in this official website, there is a username, password and sign in option. This is in the right hand side as you can see here. So you just need to type in your username, you can type in your password, and you just need to sign in into this account. So your Chase Bank credit card account and your online banking account are same. Most people get confused on it, but you don't get confused on it. This is a very small thing that most people get confused on. So when you successfully log in into your online banking account, you can apply for the credit card, you can activate your credit card, or you can do anything about the credit card. So here is a credit card section. You can just click on it and enter the credit card section and enjoy every facility that the Chase Bank has provided for you. So this is how you can credit card login into the Chase Bank account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.